Today we are going to see about the concept of rational numbers. Okay, so this is the first chapter in our class. So first of all, we have to remember all the things which you already studied in your previous class. Hope so you remember those things. So first one is the natural number, which you always know. Natural numbers, which we usually count from naturally, that's from 1, 2, 3. So that which calls as the natural number. So that is 1, 2, 3. It will goes up to the infinity. Then the next one is the whole number. It will include the 0 and then it will go up to the infinity. As the next one is an integer. It will include the positive number, negative number as well as the 0. Then the next category, there comes the rational numbers. So what is a rational number? Okay, so this rational number will look like more or like fractions, okay, but it's not a fraction. So it should have the numerator and the denominator. So P by Q, it will be in this form. And then this P and Q are what? So this P and Q will be the integers and Q should not be equal to 0. If it's equal to 0, it will go to for the undefined value. So P by Q, so Q should not be equal to 0. Now, as we already studied these things with the circles. So first the least one, that is the smallest one, is the natural numbers. The next to the natural number you have the whole number category, and next to the whole number category we will have the integers, and next to that is the rational number, and this circle will get extended. Okay, so now we are in the rational number. So the same way how we studied in the whole numbers, the properties, the integers, the properties, the same way we are going to study the properties of rational numbers also. Okay, so next we are going to see about the number line. Okay, so as usual in other numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, we will see the number line. Here also the number line will be like, I'm getting all the positive things. You can see it in the negative side also. Okay, here I am just taking that 1 by 2 and then 1 and then 4 by 2. So everything it's in a rational number form. Okay, and the next one is additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse? So in additive inverse, if we have minus 5 by 6, we will write it in the positive. Okay, so that is 5 by 6. If we have 6 by 7, that is in the positive, we will write it as the negative, that is minus 6 by 7. So this is the additive inverse concept. Then the next one is the multiplicative inverse. Here we will write the reciprocal. Okay, so if it's 5 by 8, then the reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. So that is the multiplicative inverse. And the next one is, if you have minus 4 by 7, then the reciprocal of this one, so 7 by 4. So this is how we will write the additive inverse and the multiplicative inverse in this rational numbers. So the properties of rational numbers and how we are going to solve some sums, these are the things we will see later.